Hello everyone and welcome back to this lecture on Sketchup. In today's topic we'll learn how to use the tape measure tool. First we'll erase our previous models. Then we'll draw any random shape. You can after that access the tape measure tool from the top toolbar. Its icon is a measuring tape. Now click on any point and then click on another point. You can see the distance between those points in the measurement box at the bottom right. This tape measure tool comes with some handy functions. Suppose you measure the length between two points. Now you wish to change that length. Simply input the new length in the length box at the bottom right of the screen. The whole model will be scaled according to the new length. You can also create guidelines by selecting any edge of the shape and creating the guideline at any distance from that line. Guidelines are temporary lines drawn to make it easier to visualize your shape. If you press Ctrl, then the tape measure tool only gives you the distance between the 2 points. To draw guidelines, press Ctrl again so that a small arrow appears at the top of the tape. We can remove or show guidelines from the View menu. Simply check or uncheck it. Let's see some uses of this tool in action. Let's make a 3D model, then select the tape measure tool. Now select one edge of the model and make a guideline 50 feet from the edge. Now select another edge and make another guideline 50 feet away. Then draw two guidelines from the top and bottom edges at 20 feet away each. Now we have the outline of a rectangle, it's become really easy to draw one. You can see another use of this tool on the default tray on the right. It's for measuring the dimensions of windows with this tool and making outlines for new ones. We can make guidelines parallel or perpendicular to lines by pressing the down arrow key. It follows the same rules as the line tool. You may also access the tape measure tool by pressing T. And that's a wrap for today's lecture. We'll be using these skills in the next one. I'll see you then.